create a rectangular plate with the minimum thickness for making a spinal blend. Okay. Then we have to select a sketch and select a mid plane and click sketch. Here you have to make a references of the edges of the rectangle plate. So click the reference and click all the edges for making a reference. And then you have to draw a path of bending. So you have to draw a line. You have to make a fillet in the sharp corners of line. If you not make a fillet, spinal blend cannot be created. So it is much necessary for creating a fillet. Give the corresponding radius value for the fillet. And then click OK. Before that you have to make a coordination system on the references line. Then you have to go to engineering, click the spinal blend. Now our line is darkened in green color. Then you have to select a boundary bend as a rectangular plate. Now our bend is created. Then you have to click OK. Just hide the unwanted planes. To get the regular updates of my video, please subscribe in my channel, like and share with your friends. Thank you for watching.